Hey everyone, here's our math problem for today. A researcher collecting information about 1,000 randomly selected physical therapists concluded that the median hourly wage for the physical therapist in the United States at the time of the study was between $22.76 to $59.24, with a 95% confidence interval. Which of the following could represent the median hourly wage based on the same sample for physical therapists in the United States with 90% confidence interval? Now, the key to solving this problem is to understand what they mean by 95% confidence interval. It is given that that interval is between $22.76 to $59.24. Visually, it looks like this. We have randomly selected physical therapists represented by this bell-shaped curve. The 95% interval is this white interval with an area of 95%. And the lower limit of that interval is this 22.76, and this upper limit here is this 59.24. That is for 95% confidence interval. So that confidence interval displays the probability that a parameter will fall between a pair of values around the mean. It measures the degree of certainty or uncertainty in the sampling method. Now, if we want 90% confidence interval, we are going to shrink this area in between. So that means the lower limit could be this new boundary and the upper limit could be this new boundary. The area in between is 90%. So this means that the lower limit must be greater than 22.76, but the upper limit must be lower than 59.24. So that is now the interval that we want. The lower limit is greater than 22.76 and the upper limit is less than 59.24. So based now on this criteria, letter A fails because 17.10 is not greater than 22.76. The same with letter B. 20.48 is not greater than 22.76. The same with letter C as well. So what's left is letter D. 25.65 is indeed greater than 22.76 and 56.35 is indeed less than 59.24. So among the four options, this is the only option that satisfies this criteria. And so our answer is letter D.